Hey, Sew Tasticers, welcome back to J Sew Tastic. It's your girl Jay here of J Sew Tastic. So what? I don't know, but we do a lot of upcycling, sewing, educational, unboxing, reviews, all those good things over here, DIYs. We do those over here. So I would like to say Happy New Year and welcome back to the channel. This is my first video of the year. I hope you enjoyed the last video that I put out. I think I put it up for the new year. I don't know y'all, but anyway, y'all here, you here, we all here. Okay, so I just wanted to come and say thank you for all your support throughout 2025, yeah, all that, and welcome to 2026. I am looking forward to doing more educational and improved things, unboxings, maybe reviews, more things, working my shorts a little bit more and connecting them to my videos. I mean, it's been a learning curve for me, so I've been learning how to compile everything together and to, have it flow. So thanks for hanging in there with me and being patient. I still got a long way to go, so just keep on hanging on in there. We're gonna get better as we go, okay? As you know, I had just did an upcycle with the blue jacket and the skirt and then the jean jacket, well, the men's blazer. I did that. So I haven't done a short for that yet, but my shoes just came in yesterday and I want to share it with you. Now, I was talking to my friend Jeffrey, who I do all the jackets for, and he was saying that in shades of blue, there's also going to be a hint of lime. So I need to figure out how to incorporate something lime in my outfit. But here go the shoes, y'all. Y'all ready? Y'all close your eyes. Don't peek. Here they come. Here go the shoes. Here go the shoes, y'all. If you ain't seen the video, you better go back and watch the video. But here go the shoes, y'all. They are so cute. Oh, and they are so comfortable. Is that how you say it? Comfortable? The shoes are so cute and they're so comfortable. And I think they're going to go well with my outfit. Now, what I need to do is figure out how to incorporate lime green into this. So if y'all got any ideas, let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking about adding a green brooch maybe to the shoe, or adding a green camisole or bustier under the jacket. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. Or maybe even trying to figure out how to make this bow right here and make it lime green. I don't know. Y'all think I could do it? I think I could do this. We should try it. Show me, y'all. We should get some green fabric, satin fabric, and just try this. Because I'm looking at it and it looks so simple. It's just a strip of fabric that's been serged. I don't know what y'all think. Let me know in the comments below. I'm excited. I'm getting excited, y'all. But my shoes came from Amazon. I ordered them online. I'll try to put the link below. Here is the name. Okay, this is not sponsored, but I'm just, sharing with you guys. They are called the Ribbon something. Yeah, that name right there. So hopefully y'all can see that. Ribbon G's. I don't know. Be unique, be angelic, be yourself. That's what it says on the shoes. So yeah, so I got them off of Amazon and I love them and they're comfortable. I did go a size up. I wear 8.5. I went 5'9". That's what we got. And then with the jacket, I got the jacket over here. Pulling it off my exercise. That should be exercise now. But anyway, I got the jacket here, and I hope you guys really like the jacket. And I wanted to do a little, if y'all had any questions about the jacket, I noticed that when I sit on the jacket, you know, my back is on something. One of the little chains broke. So what I'm going to do is probably take some thread in between that to secure it. Because like I was talking about in the video, when I wear stuff, I don't want it to be coming apart or whatever have you. And I noticed that too. It was a little bit of unraveling going on the cuffs, way more fraying than I would like. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to serge around those edges to clean that up. Okay, so with that said, I did go check out my patterns, and I do have an extra pattern. So the first person that hits me up, this is McCall 7838, and it is from the size for our full figure girlies. I don't know full figure, I don't know about that, but 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So that's the size that's in here. So I am willing, you have to email me. The first person that emails me is who is going to go to. So email me as soon as you get done watching this video, and let me know who to send this off to. Yeah, then I'll send it off. So that's in there. And then what else I wanted to say? Things that we're going to be doing for the new year, y'all. Things we're going to be doing. A lot more upcycles. We're going to be doing that. Yay! More DIY stuff because people like that. I am still working on the series, but let me tell y'all a little bit about the series, okay? This coffee hot, but it's good. I'm kind of bored with it, even though I got the skirt done. So I'm thinking about maybe I need to switch to the top, the jacket or the pants. But the top, I'm kind of bored with the top. I don't know. Even if I want to switch the top out, I might. You know, that could happen. So I'm kind of like letting y'all know this bump is irritating me. It just came on my head. But anyway, it's kind of irritating me. I don't like it. I don't know if it's a challenge because I need to figure things out, or I'm just not liking it. I don't know. Have y'all ever felt that way? Let me know. So, like I said, the skirt is done. I need to still find the fabric for the jacket, which is a long, flowing to the pants. I need to figure out what kind of fabric I want to do the pants in and what color I want to do the pants in. I have something in mind that I thrifted, but I'm not sure if it's going to work. But then again, I wanted to share something else with y'all. Hold on one second. Let me go grab it. Okay, y'all, this is absolutely beautiful. Now, my friend Jeffrey, y'all know I just did all them jackets for him, altered them. I just gave them to him yesterday, so he has to let me know if everything worked out okay. But in the midst of all that, here he come with another jacket, y'all. Oh, but this is beautiful, and he thrifted it from a Goodwill in Chicago. And I am saying all that before I show you what it is to say this. We gonna get our butts in the car, and we going to Chicago Goodwill, thrift store, something this year. We traveling, okay, to do some thrifting this year. So, if you're excited about that, let me know. Put a little car emoji in the comments below, okay? But look at this jacket. This is thrifted, y'all. He wants me to alter it. We gotta figure out, if it fits him or not. Look at this. Oh my God, y'all! It's black and velvet. So y'all can see Jeffrey has really good taste. He dresses very well, and he wants me to alter this. I'm kind of scared, but it's like a brocade fabric, I think you would say. And yeah, he brought it from the Goodwill. From the Goodwill, y'all. Look at that. Look at that embroidery strap on the front. Look at that. Y'all see that? Beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to be working on that jacket for him. I have my friend's jacket that I did, her camo hair jacket. I'm going to be delivering that to her tomorrow. I'm going back up to Madison because I went up there and let her try it on, but it was still a little bit too big for her liking. So I'm going to take it in. So, that's the thing. When somebody lives out of town, it's kind of hard. But the jacket was a hit. My jacket was a hit when I went to the day party, and people had put in their orders. I do still want to do the classes, the beginner classes. I do have a curriculum all printed out for that, but I'm trying to figure out how I want to do it. Do I want to do it like YouTube live and we all do it at that same time to do the class there? If you have any ideas, let me know, and we could get situated. I was trying to let everybody get situated in the month, beginning of January, and we can all figure that out together, how that would work. But I think doing that on live, that would also allow me to get the time that I need, the watch hours that I need, all those kind of things that I need as a YouTube creator. So we helping each other out. So y'all getting, some tools of a beginner sewer, and I'm getting the help from you spending time with me, watching me, and we are both creating something that we will love and cherish throughout the year. Okay, so, and I just wanted to say, I did not do everything I wore in everything I sold or made in 2025 video. It's so cliche for me, because I really want y'all to watch the videos. That I want y'all to watch my playlists, those different things. That's where I put all that stuff. If you want to see things like hauls, thrifting, upcycle, I have different playlists for all those things, and I want you to watch them there. It takes a lot to kind of like come together and put all that stuff together. I don't know how they do it, but I guess I probably could grab it from all my shorts, but I didn't do a lot of shorts. So that was shorten, the things that I made in 2025. So go back, watch those playlists, go back, watch some videos if you're new. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, and what will it take for you to subscribe? What would you like to see? So that's where we're going. Y'all know I stay busy. I didn't mean to make this video this long, but this is my video upload for Monday. I will be working on the series, and I still have footage for some of that, and I need to do a short for the blue outfit. I need to do a short for the Vogue, and yeah, still got a lot to do, y'all. Still got a lot to do, but I appreciate all of y'all. I really do. And all of the DIY video was a hit. I don't know what was so exciting about it, but I'm glad y'all loved it. I mean, it's got 4.6K views on DIY hats. So I will be making the gloves to go with those. With that said, I'm going to let y'all go. I will see you in the next video. Looking forward to sharing everything with you in 2026, and some educational things as well. I want to become an ambassador of some organization, whether it be Singer, Brother, somebody, but Singer is my go-to. Singer is my go-to. So I really would like to become an ambassador for them. I want to start embroidery. So they have a new machine, and maybe they'll send it to me, y'all, if y'all watch the videos and get the, likes up. Maybe they'll let me test it out and review it and see how it works and keep it. So with that said, y'all, I'm going to let y'all go, and I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed week, and, trust God throughout this new year. It's going to be a hot mess. Okay. It's going to be a hot mess. So trust Him. He has it all under His control. Okay. Y'all know I'm a believer. So if you don't know, now you know.